Hey there everyone! Today, I'm taking you on a fascinating journey into the heart of Poland to uncover how chicken products are made. From the farm to your table, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First up, the journey begins at the chicken farms. Poland is known for its vast, state-of-the-art poultry farms where chickens are raised under strict welfare standards. Here the birds are given ample space, proper nutrition, and regular health checks to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Once the chickens reach the right age and size, they're transported to processing plants. Now these plants are equipped with some of the most advanced technology in the world. The process starts with humane slaughtering methods, which are both quick and designed to minimize stress for the animals. Next, the chickens are plucked and cleaned. High-speed machines take care of the plucking, ensuring all feathers are removed efficiently. Then, the birds go through a thorough washing process to remove any remaining feathers or impurities. Following this, we move on to evisceration. This is where the internal organs are carefully removed. It's a critical step because it ensures the meat is safe for consumption. After evisceration, the carcasses are washed again to maintain cleanliness. Now, we enter the chilling phase. The chickens are quickly cooled down to prevent bacterial growth. In Poland, they often use air chilling methods, which not only keeps the meat fresh, but also helps retain its natural flavor. Once chilled, the chickens move to the cutting and deboning section. Here, skilled workers and precision machines cut the chickens into various parts: breasts, wings, thighs, you name it. Each piece is then inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. Packaging is the next vital step. Chicken parts are packed according to their type and weight, with each package clearly labeled with all necessary information, including origin, weight, and best before date. It's all about transparency and maintaining high standards for consumers. Finally, the products are ready for distribution. They are stored in refrigerated trucks and transported to stores across Poland and beyond. The entire process from farm to store is meticulously monitored to ensure the highest quality and safety of the chicken products. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how chicken products are made in Poland. From the high welfare standards on the farms to the advanced processing techniques in the plants. It's a process that combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. Thanks for joining me on this insightful trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of food production. Until next time, stay curious.